Hi everyone, welcome to our Milkypedia session today. I'm Mia Chua, Corporate Nutritionist from Dutch Lady Milk Industries Berhad or DLMI. Today, I would like to share with you one of the very common questions which you may have too is, what is the difference between different types of milk in the market? There are many different types of milk in the market such as fresh milk, full cream, low fat and flavoured milk, and all of these milk are also available in different formats. For example, UHT, pasteurized and sterilized because they undergo different milk processing methods. This is why you will see full cream milk stored at ambient temperature or even full cream milk that is kept refrigerated in the chill section at store. Milk processing aim to ensure that the milk is safe to drink and can be stored for a long time. Before getting into the topic of milk processing, the milk taken directly from the farm without any treatment, we call it raw milk. We must be very careful with raw milk because it may contain harmful bacteria. Nutritious milk could be harmful if it is contaminated with germs. It is not advisable to drink raw milk, which is not processed properly. If buying raw milk, we need to make sure that the milk is cooked or boiled first before drinking. However, ordinary boiling will cause nutrient spoilage, and that's why certain milk processing techniques are needed. Let's take a look at the processing methods displayed on the screen now. The first method, UHT, is a short form for ultra heat treatment, a technology that sterilizes milk by heating it at about 140 degrees Celsius for 2 to 5 seconds. UHT milk can be stored outside the refrigerator in the original packaging with a shelf life that is more than 6 months. The second method, pasteurization, is when the milk is heated to 75 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Pasteurized milk needs to be kept at 4 degrees Celsius in the original packaging with a shelf life of approximately 28 days. The last method, sterilization, is when the milk is heated to about 120 degrees Celsius for 6 to 7 minutes. Sterilized milk can be stored outside the refrigerator in the original packaging with a shelf life of more than 6 months. From a nutritional point of view, the milk processed by different methods still contains more or less the same essential nutrients. Pasteurized milk is the closer to the nutritional profile of raw milk, but Dutch Lady milk also contains protein, calcium, vitamin A and D3 to help you meet nutritional needs. So, you can choose milk according to your preferences and lifestyle. Just make sure you read the label to get information on the storage temperature and expiry date. We have just celebrated Friesland Campina 150 years anniversary this month, and at the same time, we also celebrated Malaysia Day. Interesting fact, the RMI establishment coincided with the establishment of Malaysia in 1963. Malaysia is one of the countries that is rich in culture, customs, beliefs, and lifestyles. Racial diversity allows us to understand the cultures of other races, especially through food. In conjunction with Malaysia Day this time, we would like to share some of the famous traditional menu in Malaysia. What's great about it? They are all using Dutch Lady milk in their preparation. Let's check it out. Thank you for watching. Do try the recipes and share with us your dishes in the comment box below. If you would like to get more information and recipe inspiration, check out our Milkypedia section on our official website www.dutchlady.com.my. See ya!